In this video, you will learn about present perfect tense. When to use present perfect tense. Number one, completed action with a connection to the present. We use the present perfect to talk about action that happened at an unspecified time in the past but have a connection to the present. Example, I have broken my leg, she has cleaned her room. Number two, talking about experiences. We use it to talk about experiences in our life. Example, I have been to Berlin, I have been to the restaurant 3 times, she has traveled to Europe twice, they have visited the Great Wall of China, he has eaten sushi before. Number third, actions that started in the past and continue into the present. We also use it to talk about action that began in the past and that are still relevant or ongoing in the present. Example, he has lived in this city for 5 years. How to use present perfect tense. Positive form. To make positive form, start with the subject, add have for I, you, we, they, or has for he, she, it, and then add the past participle form of the word. Example, I have played soccer, she has been to France. Negative form, use not after have or has to form negative sentences and add the past participle form of the word. Example, I have not seen that movie, she hasn't finished her lunch yet, they haven't come back from school. Question form, begin with have or has, add the subject, and then add the past participle form of the verb. Example, have you seen that movie? Has she studied for the exam? Have you done your homework? Thank you for viewing. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.